Sergio? Blah, blah, blah. You're good for it, Station?
There you go.
You got it.
Oh. No. That was weak. Excuse me. Excuse me. Got him.
Yeah.
Dude, I ain't done.
Treat me this way and still I stand. See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm here. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running.
There you go, gang. I got you one. What's up, Soraya? Thank you for the follow, Maddie.
Hey, man, niggas had to get off on some niggas, man.
Oh, damn.
Yo, sí.
Uy, ya me acordé de ti, muchacho.
Got you? Yo, hook.
There we go. Rate the name Gage.
Pay up. I want my $10.
There we go. There's. Where'd you hear that?
That was weak.
No, we're literally on live right now. On live.
I mean.
Brad, you should take me to the Pink Beach. You ever farted after that real white gold? No, the insurance. Oh yeah.
Bruh, if y'all. Sorry for cussing.
No, I'm joking.
I don't even know what I'm talking about. Pardon me.
And not be able to see till you put your glasses on. Well, Rhea's that way, you know?
I know.
And then, of course, Tim, he couldn't.
That phone died. Anyways, Alexa. Alright, guys, I'm taking.
Close enough, Tommy. I'll choke you, but I ain't no killer, baby.
Gracias, Irma, gracias, gracias por los chiles.
Y'all knows.
For us to be together.
Fuck you, dehors!
Non, c'était pas. J'ai failli rendre une bégère à la gueule. C'était pas encore dit. Oh, ça pue de tacos. J'étais drôle. Il vient tousser à la gueule. Martin vient tousser à la gueule.
Oh my god, dude, it's not like.
Mackenzie! Yes.
Appreciate it.
Need to sell 40 more. Lindsay, what do you do?
A sunny day out, so. Oh, excuse me, guys. Hey, Warren, thank you so much for the 21. How old are you? I'm not. It's OB.
My hair's crazy, bro. It's like I blow dry, but
Got me finished, broke my heart.
The price is right.
Never mind.
Where?
They left.
Oh, well.
It's Michael. Sorry for cussing. It won't be enough.
Thank you for the share. Thank you for the share.
I ain't talked to him in a minute. We're in the Marshall yesterday. Hey.